How to change Gmail address in Instagram. Good day, folks, and welcome to the channel. I'm going to show you how you can add or change your email address or your Gmail address on your Instagram account. So let's get straight into it. We're going to go down on the bottom of your page. You will find your profile picture. Now you're going to tap on that. Now, once you've tapped on your profile picture, at the top right-hand side of the page, you will see that there are 3 lines and you'll get this menu over here. So from here, the top option is settings and privacy. And from here, you're going to go ahead and look for the account center, which is also right up at the top. You're going to tap on that. Now, once you are in here, there are a bunch of things that you can change, and including that is your personal details. If you just go down under the account settings, you will see the second from the top, personal details. You're going to tap on that. So right over here, you can see contact information, your birthday, as well as account ownership and control. So you're going to tap on the contact information. Now, once you tap on the contact information, you will see the current contact information that you have. Now, right at the bottom, you can tap on add new contact. Right over here, you can add either a mobile number or an email. So we're going to go ahead, tap on email, and here you will put in your email address. Then you will tap on the Instagram account that you would like to change or add this email address to just by tapping on that. And as it says over here, adding this email will replace the current email over there, and that is fine. Now, this option is for if you have multiple accounts on your app. So you will just have to go ahead and choose the appropriate account. Now, once you enter in your email address over here, and you tap on next, you will then have your email address completely changed. There we go, folks. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like, and we will see you in another awesome video. Cheers for now.